A whole bunch of you have been asking me to do more unboxing videos. What happened to the unboxing videos? How come you don't show them? Well, here we go. You asked for it. You got it. Let's do it! Alright, thank you for dropping in. I always appreciate it when you stop in. I appreciate y'all sending me stuff too. You know, a lot of people send me stuff and they'll say, please don't open it on camera. Or if they say, I can't open it on camera, they'll say, please don't mention my name. And you know, I'll do that, man, if that's what you want. And some people, like the guy that sent this box, said it was okay if I said his name. This box is a long way, traveled a long ways, man. And his name is Jeff Hutchings. Jeff, I don't know what's in it yet, but thank you, buddy. I'm sure well, it's got some stuff marked here. And I assume that's what's in the box. I can't see it without glasses. But I'm not going to read it out loud because it won't be a surprise to you guys that way. Yeah, it's got marked right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5 things in there. I'm going to get you. I say I'm going to get you. Get you. And bring you over here, and we're going to open this box together and see what Jeff sent. Alrighty then. Let me clear something up here first. A lot of you have been asking me, he's got eczema again, he's wearing them big shirts. No, I do not have eczema again. It's just really cold in here. Eczema is not welcome here. Alright, I got to be careful here because I don't want to give out any personal info. Like I said the other day, I gave my phone number out one time on a video. And it rendered the phone useless, man. I mean, wow. I got bombarded with everything. I think this is the right end of this to open. Yeah, here we go. Alright, let me get rid of this thing because it's very sharp. And as clumsy as I am sometimes. I think I see a love letter maybe. Oh, cool, man. 2019 Newfoundland, is that what this is? The horns is blocking it. Sportsman. Well, Jeff, I dig this kind of stuff, man. Maybe that's a love letter sticking up like this. Or a page mark or something. What is that? He may want me to read something here. It's one of those things. Forget what they're called. Are we in the camera? Yeah, we're in the camera. I love this kind of stuff. I don't get to hunt anymore, as you can tell from the walls here. I'm Randy, the guy with the dead animal heads on the wall. But I don't get to do it anymore. Early rise. Oh, dude, you didn't tell me you wrote a book. Wow. Jeff Hutchings. Hutchings, yeah. Well, cool, man. And it's, I dig this kind of stuff. Pictures and the whole bit. Man. I'm going to read it. You can bet. You can bet your bottom dollar on it I'm going to read this. Because I love this kind of stuff. And that other one too. I subscribe to a few magazines. Mostly to do with guns. I don't know. Can you still show gun stuff on YouTube? I don't know, man. Jeff, is your picture in here? I don't think I know what you look like. Unless that's you. I don't know, man. Anyways, thank you. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'll see some other things here. Oh, yeah. I love this, man. I'll watch this. This is all I watch on television. This kind of stuff right here. Let me get it where the light's not glaring on it. Hunting shows. I used to watch Ted Nugent all of the time. This is a Sportsman show. Season 7. I don't know what I'm going to be doing as soon as I finish making this video. Well, there's I thought it was a love letter to the house that never sleeps. From Jeff Hutchings. I want to call you Hutchison. For some reason I want to say that. I can't even say it. Sportsman show, season 6. Yeah, fishing too. That's another thing I was big into. I keep forgetting to show you guys, man. The stuff. Yeah, I used to do that all the time, man. We'd go camping, take a camper in March, no, in February, and set it up before the campground even opened up. What is that exactly? Newfoundland and Labrador. Anyway, if we take the RV up, set it up in the end of February, I can always use these. I never can get enough of those. In the end of February, we'd set the camper up and stay there. The campground was closed, so we would stay there until they opened the campground and ran us off. And after they opened the campground, we could stay 2 more weeks after that. Is this something for Q? Yeah, for cue ball. Check that out, folks. Jeff, you rock, dude. And cue ball was going to love this because I don't know anything that she don't like. Except that medicine I used to have to put on my arm. Anyway, I was going to say, we would stay up there and camp until sometime in June. Cold winter nights, man. I mean, really cold city. And fish. Ride a bike about 14 miles every day. I'm not sure what this is. From Newfoundland. I'll show you the inside of it. Does anybody know what that is? Oh, it holds a guitar neck. Ah, yeah. I'll see what it is now. That's perfect, man. I dig that. It's lightweight, too. I like that. Took me a little bit to figure that one out. Alright, there's something here. The Rock. Let's see what it says. I'm looking at it in the camera, and I can't read it because it's backwards in the camera. You guys know what it says, and I do not. The Rock. Newfoundland Labrador. Labrador, yeah. Well, Jeff, thank you so much. I think it's the right size, too. Where's the size at? I don't see a size here. It's on this, probably. Medium, yeah. It's got 2 ends. Medium, I guess. I dig it, man. Thank you so much. Wow, yeah. I'll definitely put that on. Let's see, we got anything else? See something, one more thing in there. Ah, he did send a love letter. Teasing me with it, put it on the very bottom. Alright, I gotta pause the camera, because you never know. You know, he didn't say anything about me reading a love letter on there. He didn't say he was going to send one even. So let me read this first, and I'll bring you back, and we will talk about it. Hold on. Okay, well, I just picked up a few things here. I can read you the love letter, but I won't do it. I'll just hold it up to the camera, and then you can pause the video if you want. It's kind of long, like. I'll pause the video and check everything out one more time. It's like holding a guitar up here. I can't see the camera to see if it's if it's getting the guitar or not. So you just have to kind of guess at it. And this card, he sent the card, 2 DVDs, sportsman stuff, because you can see how well I like hunting and stuff. The beer holder, I can always use that. I lose these and wear them out if I don't lose them. Early Rise. Jeff, I didn't know you wrote a book, man. That's I'm definitely going to read that. And thank you for the Sportsman magazine, too. I want to look at that, too. I love this stuff. And I didn't know until I was reading in the letter, this is a 3D print of a neck rest for working on guitars. I wish I had a guitar here. We'd try it out. Well, I got guitars here. Believe me, everywhere. You ought to see that pile of boxes over there. Yeah, I like this because you can set it down this way, put your guitar neck up like that, or you can set it up this way and put the guitar neck in it. Perfect, Jeff. Thank you so much, buddy, for all this stuff. And what else? Oh, cue balls. Cue ball's going to thank you too. I wish he was here. I'd give you a cue ball fix. Chicken palais, or what? I don't know what it says, man. I can't read it. Maybe it says on the back. It says cue ball. Chicken chips. She loves chicken. I can tell you she's going to like that. Here's your shot of the letter. Let me get up here where I can see. You can pause the video right there. And pause the video right there. I have to cut his phone number out. I'll have to fix that. Let me hold it up there again. I'll hold my fingers over the phone number. Okay. There you go. Oh, I'm in a bind here, man. I think I got his phone number out of there that time. Thank you guys for watching. Jeff, thank you, man, for all this stuff. I want to watch one of these tonight. Like right now, as soon as I turn that camera off. So just leave that out here. And I probably will use this tonight. And put, well, I'm drinking coffee right now, but I like to drink beer at night. I'll get it out there later. Thank you guys for watching. Jeff, thank you very much, man. You rock, dude. I'll let you know how I like the book after I read it. Thank all you guys that send me stuff. We'll be doing a few more unboxings down the road. If you like them, thumbs this video up. Well, thumb it up whether you like it or not. It helps me. Cheers. See you on the next one.